Good morning, students. So, this is the video of Standard 3rd EVS chapter number 5, our first school, that is home. Okay, so as we all know that our first school is our home. From our home, we learn so many things like sharing our things, respecting our elders, respecting our young ones. Okay, so before going to school, where we learn all these things learn at our home. We learn all these things at our home by our parents, by our elder sister, elder brother, by our grandparents, uncle, aunt. Okay, from this all members we learn all these things: sharing, caring, respecting. Okay, this thing we learn from our elders, from our home. So our first school is our home. Our home is our first school. Members of home are our family. We learn so many things from our family much before we learn from anywhere else. This is because we are so close to our family. Let us think about your family and talk about it. Okay, so as we know that our home is our first school. Why our home is our first school? Because we learn each and everything first at our home. Okay, learning from anywhere else, we first learn each and everything at our home. And the member who stays with us in our home, they are our family members. Okay, they are our parents, grandparents, uncle, aunt, cousins. Okay, so we learn all these things from them at our home. So on this sheet, draw or paste a picture of your family. You have to paste a picture of your family. Okay, next, who all are there in your family? Write their names and how they are related to you. Now in this activity, what you have to do, you have to write the name of your family member and the relation you have with them. For example, I have written here Seema. So Seema is my mother. Okay, like this you have to complete this exercise. You have to write the name of the family members and whatever relation you are having with them. Okay, clear children? Second column, write the relation between any two members of your family, such as husband, wife, brother, sister, mother, daughter. Okay, now here what you have to do, here you have to write down the two name of your family members and relation between them. Okay, so for example, here is given Ramesh, Bhai and Rupal. They are uncle and niece. Second is Preeti and Tushar. They are brother and sister. Okay, like this you have to write. Think and tell. What is your nickname? You have to write your nickname here. Okay, like my nickname is Shalu. So in my home they all call me Shalu. So I will write here Shalu. By what name do your family members call you lovingly? अब प्यार से आपके family members आपको क्या बुलाते हैं? How do you call your family members? Now आप आपके family members को किस name से बुलाते हैं? And last question is, look at the picture which is given on the next page. Two persons in the picture look similar. Okay, so this is the picture. Okay, so this is the picture of one family member. See, there are two persons similar in this picture, जो same दिखते हैं. So you can see this mother daughter, है ना? This mother daughter, they look same. Likewise, in your family also you have some person same as to you, है ना? आपके जैसा भी कोई दिखता होगा या आप किसी के जैसे दिखते होंगे. जनरली हम हमारे मम्मी पापा या दादा दादी जैसे दिखते हैं या नाना नानी, किसी के जैसे तो हम दिखते ही हैं, है ना? क्योंकि हम छोटे होते हैं, आप छोटे हो अभी, तो आप ज़रूर किसी की तरह दिखते होंगे. तो आस्क योर मदर कि मम्मी मैं किसकी तरह दिखता हूँ या दिखती हूँ. ठीक है, चलो, हमारा बोलने का स्टाइल, द वे ऑफ आवर टॉकिंग, द वे ऑफ आवर वॉकिंग, स्माइल, वो उस पर्सन से बहुत ज़्यादा सिमिलर होंगे. जिस पर्सन से हमारा फेस मिलता है उस पर्सन से हमारा टॉक करने का वे, हमारा वॉक करने का वे, द वे वी स्माइल, वो सब बहुत ज़्यादा सिमिलर होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, all the members of the family lend a hand in washing, drying and ironing of clothes. Now as we are living in a family, we have to help each other. Okay, we have to help each other in doing household works. Like see, mummy is preparing food in the kitchen, so we can cut the vegetables, we can wash them or we can serve them. Okay, हम वेजिटेबल कट कर सकते हैं या उसको वॉश करके मम्मी को दे सकते हैं, या कोई खाना खाने बैठे तो हम उसको सर्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, इन दिस वे वी कैन हेल्प आवर मम्मी, इन दिस वे वी कैन हेल्प इन आवर हाउस होल्ड वर्क. सो आप यहाँ पर पिक्चर देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर भी एक फैमिली का पिक्चर है. तो वो सब एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं वॉशिंग, आयनिंग, ड्राइंग करने में. वो वॉशरमैन्स है, ठीक है, ये जो है वो ये वॉशरमैन है. तो इनको कपड़े धोने होते हैं, सुखाने होते हैं, आयनिंग करने होते हैं, तो इसलिए सब एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हैं. सलमान एंड हिज कज़िन राफिक आर ऑल्सो लर्निंग द वर्क डन बाय द फैमिली. एज Salman and Rafiq are very small, so they are right now they are learning the work. Okay, they don't know this work, they don't know washing, ironing and drying, how to wash the clothes, how to iron them. So right now they are learning this work. Okay, next we learn many things from our family members. Salman and his cousin Rafiq learned cycling from his uncle. Now as we are living in a family or in a joint family, we learn so many things from our family members. Okay na, if you are having elder sister, so you will learn drawing, आप उनसे ड्राइंग सीखोगे. इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एल्डर ब्रदर तो आप उनसे गेम खेलना सीखोगे, बाइक्स चलाना सीखोगे. येस और नो, है ना. हम उनसे डांस सीखते हैं, मम्मी से हम खाना बनाना सीखते हैं, हेल्प करना सीखते हैं. ये सब चीज़ें हम अपने फैमिली मेम्बर से सीखते हैं. सो यहाँ पर भी सलमान एंड राफिक जो है वो अपने अंकल से साइकिलिंग करना सीख रहे थे. ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंक एंड टेल. You also learn many things from your family. What and from whom has anyone learnt anything from you? Now what you have to do, you have to complete this answer. What they are asking, that what you have learned from your family members. Only this thing you have to write in this answer. Okay, next think and write. Whom do you meet? चलो, आप सबसे पहले अगर आप पर्टिकुलर इस सिचुएशन में हो तो आप सबसे पहले किससे मिलोगे. When I am sad, I go to my dash. जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा सैड होती हूँ तब मैं सबसे पहले किसके पास जाती हूँ, तो I go to my mother. Now when I want to know about the past, I go to my, जब मेरे को past के बारे में जानना होता है, when I want to get some information about past, when I am curious about past, तो मैं किसके पास जाती हूँ, I go to my grandmother और grandfather. When I want to share my secrets, I go to my, जब मुझको अपने कुछ secrets share करने होते हैं, then I go to my sister और brother. When I do something wrong, I go to my, जब मैं कुछ naughty हरकत कर देता हूँ, घर में बहुत ज़्यादा मस्ती कर देता हूँ या कर देती हूँ, then हम किसके पास जाते हैं, firstly we go to our grandfather और grandmother, because we know कि वो हमको डांट से बचा लेंगे, है ना. चलो नेक्स्ट, everyone removes their shoes before entering the house. Now we all are having this one tradition that while entering in the house we have to remove our shoes outside, है ना. हम शूज़ पहन के घर में नहीं जाते, हमें अपने शूज़ जो है घर के बाहर निकालने होते. दिस इज़ द कस्टम इन सुरेखास फैमिली. ये कस्टम था सुरेखा की फैमिली में कि अगर आप घर के अंदर आ रहे हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू कम इन द हाउस, यू हैव टू रिमूव योर शूज़ आउटसाइड द हाउस. Some of Surekha's friends enter her house without removing their shoes. Now what happened? One day Surekha's friends came to her house. Now what they do? They forgot to remove the shoes. They don't know that this custom is following in Surekha's family. They don't know that they are following this custom. Like you have to remove the shoes when you are entering in the house. So they don't know this and they came in the house with their shoes on. Okay. Surekha's grandmother got angry at that. सुरेखा की ग्रैंडमदर को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आया, बिकॉज़ उनके घर में आप शूज़ पहन के नहीं जा सकते हो, इसलिए उसकी ग्रैंडमदर को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आया, है ना. हमारी फैमिली में भी, हम सबकी फैमिली में भी ऐसे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बने हुए होते हैं जिनको हमको फॉलो करना होता है. वी हैव टू फॉलो दिस रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन. सबकी फैमिली में अलग अलग रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन होते हैं, सो वी हैव टू फॉलो दैम. ओके, या सो दिस इज़ योर चैप्टर, our first school, that is our home, chapter number 5, our first school, home. I hope you got the chapter, students. Thank you so much.